I always find it very unfortunate when you come to final resting places, you come to the cemeteries, and things fall to the ground. I'm not even fully sure exactly where this even came from. I don't want to just purposely give it to the wrong person, but I'm not really sure where it belonged. We had a really bad storm that came through that knocked out a lot of the flowers on people's final resting places. Whenever I come to a cemetery, I like to take and try to fix any flowers that have fallen over, things along those lines. So just to be respectful of the people, you know, maybe some of these visitors, maybe the person only gets to come a couple times a year, maybe they live far away, maybe the loved ones have passed away, and maybe it's just a continuing service they have. So maybe on the anniversaries, a service comes out and provides these flowers and other resources. So I just find it to be really respectful to come in and to fix those items when you come to the cemetery. So if you ever find yourself visiting a cemetery, it's always important to take, and if you see someone's flowers are falling over, to take and just provide that extra layer of assistance in fixing those for those individuals. So yeah, just a quick little video.